Hey guys, welcome back to Poison and Ivy. We are here with the charger today. We got an easy mod for you, we hope. Brandon's putting me in charge of trim tools, which could be a little bit dangerous.
I'm here to assist.
How it goes.
How can you hurt yourself with trim tools?
Well, leave it to me to find out. So anyway, we are going to check out these 3D shadow lights, which should hopefully add some cool effect. When you open the door, it'll say, welcome to your Scat Pack, right?
It'll say, welcome to your Scat Pack?
It's going to talk to you.
Oh, wow.
No,
okay.
It really won't. It does project a cool light.
And you want to know what's really funny, guys? These have literally been sitting around for a year.
I think we've had them over a year.
So we'll see if they work.
Okay.
They might not even work.
Yeah.
Amazon pickup. If they work and they're quality, we'll put a link below. If they're not, and we don't think they're good, we will not put a link below.
Sounds good. Ready?
Okay, we are under the door panel, and there's Shelly. She's gonna grab her trim tool and get to work.
Trim tool. Light bulb case.
There's like a little gap, right, on the edge?
Yeah, so one side has a little cutout kind of part. You can barely see it, but it's definitely there. It's got a little bit of a divot. Sorry, it's a very awkward angle.
There you go.
Okay, that was pretty
And guys,
simple.
be careful. The bulb, that incandescent bulb there gets really hot. Don't burn yourself.
Now to separate this plug, you're gonna go for that middle piece right here. Don't try and pull from here.
Push down that little tab and then
give it a
slide
try.
it out. Yeah. Do you want an extra hand?
Yeah,
there
you
you go.
pull?
You got it. Yeah, here, I'll come in and pull. Boom.
Okay, that was easy.
Removed.
That one's done.
Now, open your cool
Open the
3D
box.
shadow light.
It's like we have one for the front door, one for the back door, yes?
Yes. Okay, guys, and make sure after you unpackage those, they're labeled left and right. We say, ignore that.
Well, it was as simple as make sure you're lined up the right way, plug, and play. Let's put it in. Okay, that's an easy mod.
You're done. All right, let's do the back door.
Okay.
Hey, what do you know? It looks a lot like the front door, but we're at the back door.
But it's backwards.
Oh yeah, and the light's reversed.
Hooky hook
the
is
divot.
this way.
The hooky hook.
The hooky
Oh
hook.
wow, you're getting fast at this.
I'm pro.
Now you gotta unplug the the little.
Anybody needs a trim tech in your dealership, reach out.
You want me to hold the light? Would that help?
It's pretty easy actually.
You got that. That one's easy.
Profesh. Okay,
Plug.
same thing.
It's keyed, right?
Line it up,
Tab.
plug it in. There we go. All right. There's
Pop it back in. We like easy mods.
Boom.
All right, guys, we're in the garage now because we want to show the projection of these lights on the doors, these puddle lights, in the garage. Without further ado, let's open these doors.
Oh, they're so cute.
There you go. There's your little Scat Pack B.
Hi, little buddy. Look how bright they are. They're
Actually very crisp.
very
and the
cool.
multi-colors look really good.
It's really fun.
They have Hellcat 1, Scat Pack, whatever you have, they've probably got it. Again, it's Amazon. Hey, one real quick thing. They do tend to, we've kind of been watching them, they'll shut off after about 30 seconds, so don't think they're broken. They'll shut off and then they need to cool down. So I think they're protecting the lights from overheating. So anyways, cool little fun mod for you guys. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you, and until the next video.
Subscribe if you like automotive content.
Oh yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.